welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video is one that I have not filmed in so long. I honestly don't even know what I'm going to title it. I don't know whether I want to title it June favorites or my current favorites. I don't know, but whatever, you're watching it, so I'm sure I came up with something. But anyway, guys, if you want to know the products that I have been loving, I don't have many of them, but if you want to know what I have been loving for the month of June and really using and kind of falling in love with again, make sure you keep watching. Let's go. So the first product that I want to show you all know, if you've been watching me for a minute, you know how I feel about skincare products. So it is this guy right here. And this is the Biore baking soda pore cleanser. I have been loving this cleanser, y'all. I absolutely love this stuff. I picked this up from Walmart, but it is great to really deep cleanse the skin. And I love the little slogan here. It says, "Don't be dirty," and nobody wants to be dirty, honey. So the next product that I want to show you guys is one of the primers that I have been loving for this month. It is an oldie but goodie. I definitely have had it in my favorites before, but I kind of fell back on it, and this month I picked it up again because it came in one of my Ipsy subscriptions, one of my Ipsy bags. So I wanted to show you guys, of course, if you know me, you know pretty much what this primer is, and it is the Rimmel, hopefully it's picking up, it's the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Guys, I absolutely live by this primer. I hadn't used it in a while just because I wanted to give other products a try, but this primer definitely does keep me matte all day. You all know I have combination to oily skin. My T-zones be a hot mess, girl. They be a hot mess, but this primer gets me through it, y'all. I like long-lasting stuff. I like to stay matte throughout the day. The dewy look is not my thing because my skin already be dewy, girl. But this right here gets me through, and I love this primer. Another primer that I actually have fallen in love with, I wasn't crazy about it at first, but I actually do like this primer when I'm wearing a super mattifying foundation, and I'm going to show you guys one of the foundations that I pair this primer with. But it is the Fenty Beauty, I think this is the Pro Filter primer, I think that's what it's called, but it's this guy right here. I actually really like this primer. It wasn't my favorite primer at first, but I definitely do love this primer because if you're wearing a super mattifying foundation that is a long-lasting matte, this works really well because this is not, it's like a soft matte primer, okay? It's supposed to blur your imperfections, like blur those fine lines up under your eyes and stuff like that. So this primer is like a soft matte primer, but I pair it with the foundation. I'll show you again that foundation in a minute, but I absolutely love this primer for that. The next product I want to show you guys, y'all, this is a product that I literally, I'm tardy for the party on this one. Like, it's like, you know how you get to the party, it's not over yet, but all the food gone. This is what this is. It is the Anastasia, come on Trina, Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Y'all, I know I'm late. I had never tried this, but I love this stuff. I use it to do my eyebrows today. I am in the shade Chocolate. Y'all, I love this stuff. I don't know where why I've been waiting to try this, but this stuff is bomb. It is bomb. I see why people love it so much. Y'all, my eyebrows are usually the thing that takes me the longest to do. Not an eye look, not anything else, girl. It's usually these brows, honey. But to be quite honest, I am able to do my brows in like 5 minutes with this stuff. And you only need a little bit of this. Like, I'm talking about, I go in there once and that's it for each brow, y'all. This stuff is bomb. Girl, I don't know what I was thinking, girl. But you the one. She the one. The next product that I want to show you guys is by L'Oreal. It's actually two products that I kind of want to show you guys. They go hand in hand with each other, so to say. This is the L'Oreal primer. I don't know if you guys have seen this in the stores, but it is the L'Oreal primer, the mascara primer. Y'all know I'm a part of the Itty Bitty Lash Committee, okay? I'm like the president of that committee, all right? I barely have any lashes. I have to wear falsies because my lashes just don't do right. But this primer, it gets all of the hairs. I mean, it is amazing. I want to show you. It's just like a white base, guys. If you can see that, hopefully my lights aren't washing it out and the camera is focusing. There we go. There we go. It's focusing now. But this is how the wand looks, and it's just a white base, y'all. When I tell you it coats every single lash that you have, I use this all of the time. It is amazing. What I pair it with is this L'Oreal voluminous. I can't say it, but it's the original mascara. I pair these two together, and together, y'all, they are a dream come true. You definitely might want to give this a try. The pair here is amazing. But if you already have your favorite mascara that you really like, try pairing that mascara with this. Y'all, I'm telling you, this stuff here, my cousin actually told me about this, and so I tried. I was in Walmart one day and I gave it a try. I'm just looking to see. Yeah, it just says a white primer. That's the name of it. It's the only one that I've seen from L'Oreal. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. The next favorite that I have been loving, and I don't know if I did a video on this, but if I haven't, I'm going to check. If I haven't, I am going to do one on it. It is the Revolution Conceal and Define. This concealer from the brand Revolution. Guys, this concealer is amazing. I am in the shade C12. I use it to do my under eye highlighting and concealing under my eyes. Y'all, this stuff is so bomb. Like, oh my god, I picked mine up from Ulta. Ulta does carry them in the stores. I know it took some time for them to get them in the stores, but they do carry it in the store. And y'all, this concealer is like full coverage. It's just a doe foot applicator, guys. And when I tell you, this concealer is definitely full coverage. It does not crease on me. It blends out really well, really easy. I absolutely love this stuff. I have been rocking this for the full month. I think I started wearing this in May, I think, and I've been loving it for all of June, y'all. It's the bomb. I can't talk about concealer without talking about my setting powder, and I actually have two, because I have an all over face shade and a highlighting shade for under my eye, and it is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder. Hopefully this is picking it up, and my ring light isn't washing it out, but this is in the shade 30 medium. I use this shade to set up under my eye, guys. This stuff is amazing. Okay, if you're looking for an inexpensive setting powder, guys, y'all know I have my L'Oreal Mercier. I have, you know, the higher end and higher end brands, but y'all, this is amazing. And I think this is like $4.79 or $5, no more than $5. Y'all, this is the bomb. The foundation that I pair with the Rihanna Pro Filter primer is this guy right here, and this is an oldie but goodie. I've talked about this before. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Prime foundation. You guys, I've talked about this before. Y'all know I had a love-hate relationship with this foundation. Some days I like it, some days I didn't like it, and at first I couldn't stand it at first, but I absolutely have been loving this foundation. I only wear this though during the summer because it's so red. I feel like it just works perfectly for the summer. This is just something that I can really just pick up and go with. I absolutely love this. I'm in the shade 112 Cocoa. And I absolutely love this foundation. Very light, but it is definitely matte. So that's why I don't pair it with the more mattifying primer, because it will make you look dried out. But this thing right here, girl, get you some of this. This is amazing. It definitely is red. It's more, has a strong red undertone. So be mindful of that. That was the thing that kind of threw me about this foundation, because it was so red. I just felt like it wasn't wearable. But during the summertime, I definitely lean more towards this because of its red undertone, and I get like a little bit of that sunnier, that suntanned look, and so I feel like this works well with that. The other foundation I have been loving, y'all, and I actually have it on right now, it is the Maybelline, another Maybelline products. I got a lot of Maybelline products. The Super Stay foundation, y'all have seen this all over YouTube. You know, they re-released this foundation because Maybelline actually has stopped making it, and they re-released it. I do have a first impressions on this foundation, but like I said, I am wearing it today. I am in the shade 355 Coconut. Guys, I love this foundation. Listen, if you're looking for a full coverage drugstore foundation, girl, listen to me. If you are looking for a full coverage drugstore foundation, she's your girl. You need to get her. Get with 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 her. She's your girl. I'm telling you. I am in the shade again, 355 Coconut. I love this foundation. Anyway, guys, that is it for me. Those were the products that I loved for the month of June, guys. I hope this video wasn't too long. I'm sorry if it was. I tried my best to like show you guys the products that I've been loving and to get it out the way. Listen, if you are new to my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Look down below. There's a red button that says subscribe. Become part of the Bestie Clan. Also, turn that little bell on so that you can get the notifications anytime I upload a video. Also, come on and socialize with me on social media. On Instagram, it is Trina Felicia. On Twitter, it is Trina Felicia. On Snapchat, it is Trina's Beauty. And until next time, guys,